Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General, and man, do we have a lot to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so jumping right into our new clearance markdowns. These will be starting on Tuesday, April the 18th. So first up, some really exciting news. We have the brown dot home items finally joining our clearance markdown list. These are going to be going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday, April the 18th. Now, I have included a few of the brown dot home pictures and UPC codes in this video. However, I do have a brown dot home visuals video where we just go over all of the brown dot home items with UPC codes and all of the things. And that video will be going live first thing Monday morning. So as soon as that video goes live, I'm going to come back to this video and I will link the brown dot home visual video in the pinned comment right down below. Because really there's just too many to fit them all into this video without making this one right here a 30-minute long video. So y'all make sure that you come back and check out the brown dot home visuals video first thing Monday morning. Now, for our next clearance category, we have the Easter candy and baking items going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, April the 18th. And I was able to find a couple of the baking items. So here we do have the Betty Crocker cookie icing, as well as some of the Betty Crocker sprinkles. Now, again, last week I did put together our Easter visual video for our clearance markdowns and penny list. So if you missed out on that one, make sure that you go and check it out. There are tons and tons and tons of pictures and UPC codes in that video. So I'm going to have that one also linked in the pinned comment right down below this video for you. All right, next up, another really exciting markdown. We have the back to school hardware category going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, April the 18th. And again, last week I did put together the visual video for all of our back to school categories. We do have two of them right now, and I believe both of them are currently at 70% off. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Again, it's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, next up, another really exciting markdown. We have the fall hardware items going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, April the 18th. Now, the last time that we went over this category, I didn't have all of the exact pictures for the items on the list. However, your girl went out, I did some digging, and I found a lot of the exact pictures. These are exactly what you're going to be looking for when you go into the store. So we do have some extension cords. We have these little cord safe keepers. We had a couple of the outdoor timers just a couple of seconds ago. And here is something that we really need to talk about, because also included in this category, we have all of those kind of novelty gifts, the Premier Finds gifts. So while I was out and about trying to gather up pictures for all of these items, I noticed at one store they had this big display of the novelty Premier Find gifts. These are all normally $5. And I was like, hey, there are all of the items that are included in this category. Every single one of these should be clearancing out. Well, think again, because Dollar General has definitely pulled a fast one on us with this category, because while all of these items look exactly like the items that are included in this category, they have the exact packaging and everything, they have a different UPC number. So when you scan them into your Dollar General app, it is going to show up that they are full price at $5. However, if you can find the ones with this packaging and the correct UPC number, those are ringing up the clearance price. So just be aware that Dollar General did pull a fast one on us. They already have these exact same products brand new on the sales floor with a new UPC code. But the old ones are still out there. We are just going to have to scan, and be extra careful before we go up to the register to purchase those items. So hopefully all of that made sense, but just in case it didn't, let me give you a quick example. So here we have the Premier Finds Slingin' Chicken Game. Normally $5. Here is the UPC code that you guys want to be on the lookout for, and there is the description of what it's going to look like when you scan it into your Dollar General app. Now, like I said, the new packaging versus the old packaging is basically identical. So if you scan the new one into your Dollar General app, it is going to show up as regular price at $5, and it's also going to say Premier Finds Slingin' Chicken Game. Now, if you find the correct Slingin' Chicken Game with the correct UPC code, if you scan it on Tuesday or after Tuesday, it should show up at 70% off, which would be $1.50. And then the description is going to say Chicken Game Art Skills Game Chicken 1 count. Okay, weird description, I know. But anyways, I just wanted to make sure that you all were aware. That way you don't go into the store on Tuesday, pick up one of these items, and they ring up at full price, and you just think, well, that's it. They didn't drop to 70% off. They're back up to full price. So that's not the case. There are still some older ones out there that are following our clearance markdowns and will be $1.50 starting on Tuesday. All right, now moving right along, we have another exciting markdown. We have the winter hardware category also going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, April the 18th. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about the penny list for this Tuesday at Dollar General. Unfortunately, as of right now, we do not have a new penny list for this Tuesday, April the 18th. Now, as always, if something changes, I will let you guys know, but don't be too sad about it because, hey, here in a couple of weeks, all of these items that are at 70% off, they're going to go to 90 and then they're eventually going to penny out. So I think here in a few weeks, we are going to have some really, really good penny shopping days. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the pinned comment right down below this video. And while you're at it, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. And you know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.